your new Toyota Starlet Cross. Own it.
It is getting powered by World Sports Betting. It is good time to see you. Those race Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Gallants 0, Nedbank Cup semi-final. Orlando Pirates is the deserving winners of the final, going to the final yet again for Jose Rivera, who's leaving Orlando Pirates in the next 4 to 6 to 8 weeks, whenever the league is ending, maybe around June as well. So well done to the coach. He goes on then to the next round, which is the final round of the Football Association Cup, the FA Cup, which is sponsored by Nedbank. So Vilakazi, former Orlando Pirates captain, you've held a version of the Nedbank Cup, Bob Save Super Bowl.
Oh yeah, I think top 8. Yes.
You've never won the FA Cup?
No.
Le ehlanganisa amaqembu amakhulu namancane, the ones from the lower division.
No, sashawa lapha idontwana Ajax yasilima sashafo nabafana laba.
That was Rothman's Cup.
Yeah, Rothman's Cup le.
That was Rothman's
then
Cup.
Pop Save no. Plate nje lezi zinya Pop Save. Lezi decide ukuthi uyadlula yangani. Hayi. No ngadlala le ekuthathayo kisa ku Champions League straight.
Mr. So-and-so.
Yeah, they have played that.
Yes, sir. Yet another final for Jose Rivera. Congratulations to the team.
Yeah, Mr. Kewo, angibulise wena mfethu, ngibulise uStizi.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise uchairman, ngibulise uBobo Khaduso, ngibulise uLindo Mkwena. Ngibulise namakhaya. Cela support njalo la Diski TV nzo. Benjo njalo ngichike futhi.
Mr. So-and-so.
Well done to the coach, well done to the boys, well done to Dlamini. Hlala ngimgibela njalo ukuthi no but it's something if you can mark at least give us something at least today ke uthi no na goal. Well done to the team, well done to Marumo Gallants. They've tried the last, I would say the last 10 minutes when the coach started to make some changes. Then now, there and there you can see Guti is trying to put pressure, but I don't think Guti changes work. They were proper message or proper instructions to say, I've got this 1, 2, 3, of which naturally those are target strikers. So this is how we're gonna play. But Msengeo, angazi noma ngikhulume noma ngayikhulumi lento but angazi ngoba ngizwa ngathi amandla amayaphela. Okay. So let's not play with the striker again. That's once. Let's put our midfielders again once. No, that's why. No, Mr. Kewu, we need somebody that will score goals for us.
Because there's this new habit kule era ka social media. So abalandeli banokubheka ukuthi ubani owinile ubani oluzile. So uma ngaba kulo owinile kusho ukuthi everything was perfect na. And then kulo oluzile akuxosha ucoach. So if football is being killed, banokuyibulala ibhola ukuthi we are reducing it to something like a scoreboard. Njengoba iPirates iwinile, akumelanga ukhulume lento oyikhulumayo ngoba uMakgopa usivulela amathuba sawina.
Mr. Gil, you know it's worrying because tomorrow is still a day. And the day after again, and the day after again. So when are we gonna live with this until when? Because we tend to be exposed. I'll make a good example. Look at how we played in Champions League. We're defending. And then again, look, Mina Mr. Gio, I don't care. Uguti Umabasa comes in, he scores goals, I beat a record, I don't care. But one thing that is I need a player that will help the team to achieve. That's me. I don't care Uguti Yimi or Justice or who. But if the team is going to achieve, if I take this ball and give it to you and score, that's me. And Umakgopa will play over Umabasa. Umabasa, when he's in the field of play, he's scoring goals. Look at the chance that he got. So just imagine if you start to Umabasa every week, what's going to happen? He's going to get chances, he's going to score. It's not a mistake for him and be where he is. It's not a mistake. So you're compromising the team for an individual player. Because tomorrow is still a day, Mr. Nkeo. We're going to play Champions League. And I'm worried about how we're winning. We'll fight. Now we're going to play against Pyramids. And then they decided, okay, let's do this. Okay, let's sit also. Let's see what's going to happen. Now, we don't have anyone that we can say Tito, nawe Kirima 2000 nawe Nkota anohlokoloze laphayana phakathi lapha sibona ukuthi are they gonna squeeze now that defense so that as we lay back then somebody will take a shot. Are we gonna do that now?
Mara finally.
I'm happy, Mr. Gio, that the team here finally that it's good for the team, it's good for the coach, it's good for everyone. But now I'm looking beyond final because you need to come to the final, have a plan, have a good plan. How are you gonna score? You cannot wait for a mistake of the players. Of the opponents, goodbye is a mistake and then we get a goal. What if they sit tight?
Yes, so this is an ongoing debate, and I wish one day there can be a match for the people who support negative football. I wish one day there can be a match where the other team is not doing anything and the other one is not doing anything. Sibone ukuthi, what are we going to watch as the fans? Njengoba sihleli lapha, and then people pay to go inside the stadium. So njengoba babhatala and nathi sibhatala ama subscription with DStv. What are we going to see when the other team decides to defend and the other one, which is what we are starting to see now in negative football, with Champions League. Not only Pirates, actually, it's not about the Pirates, it's about all these coaches. They're like, for my career, I want a star. So I want to see how people are going to react when there's no shot at target, players are not passing each other, they are just sitting in their half and the other team is sitting in their half. Is that the football that everyone wants?
You know, Mr. Kewo, it's just that there are games Mr.
It's already
that
happening.
are boring. It's not boring, oh, Jesus. Maybe it was going to be easier for him to talk about it, even one of my highlights for 2 minutes. Because, Mr. Kewo, I want us to do justice in our football. I know not everyone will be good as my mind is in terms of how we should play, how we should conduct, in terms of the system, the formation, our players are taking. I was also questioning a lot of things. How do we have a right back attacking a right back? He cuts and make a run inside and leave a left winger that side. When the left winger is going to receive the ball, already the right back is inside. What if you lose the ball? Who's going to cover that space? So there's a lot, Mr. Kyo, that I'm worried about in terms of how our football is going. That's why tomorrow it's a day, and the day after, and the day after. And then here's the problems that we're facing. Almost every week we're facing one thing. How are we going to solve? This is how we're going to solve it.
Yeah.
Let's get somebody that can score goals. If now we're going to put this thing of worried about defending, even up front there, I know they say defending but remember that Luella Uywan is facing 2 center backs. We still have a sweeper at the side. So the only thing that he can do is just to shuffle and force him to go in an angle where he's not going to be comfortable to play a good pass. That's all. And then he comes back and stays central so that whoever is playing on the wing, left or right, they can have spaces to get the player 1v1. Midfielders to come in and join, have a combination with him. But now with Pirates, we don't have that. Unless the ball lines
can I ask just why do you think they're playing Umakhopa? Like what is it that they are achieving? Because I think if ungababuza bangakunikeza justification, and I think even half of the Pirates fans will tell you you work great in. Why, in your opinion, do you think he's playing? Our
keeper must but he's a hard worker. He's chasing there, he's chasing there, he's chasing there. But now here comes the question. Can Umakhopa do his primary job? What is his primary job? If all of us were happy for him to chase up and down, then let's go back to reality now. What is his primary job? His primary job is to score goals. So how is he going to score goals? You need to find him in that box. So we can't find him in that box. Look at Umakhopa Makangena. Look at the pass Tito Ainigeza Umabasa. He knows. He didn't even need to look around. Umabasa. He knows Umabasa is always inside the box. When he played in that pass, he knew Umabasa is there. But with Makhopa, did you ever see an action like that? Never. Look at the goal. Where was he? bekakaleka right banonkotha unkotha bakazophasa umaswanganye ayilethela ulontuzana uDlamini
But we are confused about defender.
no yena self confuse thina because thina self we don't have anyone lapana eboxing. Right now we saw uDlamini went there. After that run, did you ever see another run? So it means it's confusing us. We don't know whether should we go, he's gonna come back fast, so I must stay.
Masibambe legend yini madoda ungambethi kakhulu.
No ngiyamthanda
hayi ungambethi kakhulu. Zenze depression as video clips abadlala xa bezibona kanje. But anyways, kwenzeke lo nto. You didn't do that. That's what happened in the game. We can only talk about what we saw. Yet another final for Orlando Pirates. What chance do you give them, even if they get Pirates or Sundowns or Chiefs? Do you think one hand is on that trophy? What's your feeling about it?
Yeah, no. When I say finally sekuphelile Mr. Game. Sekuphelile. Hayi, mawufika nje finally the Pirates. Uvele ukhohlwe nje nawe uvele uthi no bafethu ayisale seya lapha eOrlando i-trophy sizohamba nisodlalana nje but i-trophy seyale ngoba there's one thing about Pirates is that I think they know how to get to the finals and they know how to win it. You know, and whoever is gonna face, whether it's Chiefs, I'm a question for life. Yeah. Nobody Chiefs, nobody Sundowns, but they know when you face the Pirates in the final, one way or another, if you have a trophy in Orlando, no doubt.
Plus no balls will suffer.
Yeah.
Oba. What do you think I'm going to ask you?
I don't know. That's for the question. For the question, I don't know. When the question is with Uzoti.
Plus no balls will suffer by appointment. Got Mr. Ref go final. Who do you think we're going to get in that final as a referee? Is it the same old?
Yeah,
or the same referee?
Experience. So it's very important. We need to call the experience a referee. And we all know the experienced referee. So unfortunately,
the one who MTN 8.
Yeah, the experienced referee is very important to have an experienced referee, Mr. K. So we're gonna call the experienced referee to hold that game because it's a big game. It's a final.
Because experienced MTN, this season, last season, and even the previous seasons as well.
Yeah, no, he's got experience of holding these big games. So it's very important to call that experience.
So it's actually one hand in the trophy.
Yeah, no, yona vele sesibambile. Kahle sibambe vele laphana ku PSS afanele ithathwe yiswe lapha eOrlando kuphela.
Mr. So-and-so, thank you so much. This is as much as entertainment as it is analysis, of course. That's our duty. We have no idea what happens in these matches. If we did, we were going to bet and make a lot of money. That's the element of surprise in these matches. So we hope you enjoy our conversations sometimes. It is Times, sports betting. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.